In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your document as a PDF and export it to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. First, open the application you're using to work with your document. Give it a moment to load so everything on the screen is ready. Once you're in, look for your file. If you've worked on it recently, you'll likely see it listed under a recent section on the home screen. Click the file to open it. If you don't see it there, use the Upload or Open option to bring it in from your computer or cloud storage. Make sure you've selected the correct file by checking the title and a quick preview of the contents. With your document open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a drop-down control there. Depending on the app, it may look like a small arrow, the word More, or an icon with 3 dots. Click that drop-down to reveal additional options for your file. From that menu, choose Save As. This is where you'll decide the format you want. Select PDF to create a clean, shareable version of your document that preserves layout and fonts. Many applications will show a brief settings panel when you pick PDF. If you see options like page size, orientation, or image quality, choose what fits your needs. For example, higher image quality is great for printing, while a lighter file size is better for emailing or uploading. When you're ready, confirm the save and pick a location that's easy to find, like your desktop or a clearly named project folder. If you need a different format, that same Save As area usually offers more choices. You can save to Word if you plan to keep editing long-form text, to Excel if your content is a table or data-heavy and needs formulas, or to PowerPoint if you want to present the content as slides. Pick the format that matches what you need to do next, and confirm the save just as you did with the PDF. Before you close the application, it's a good idea to open the file you just created and skim it to make sure everything looks right. Check page breaks, images, and any special characters to confirm they came through as expected. That's it. Open the app, choose your file or upload it, use the top right drop-down, select Save As, and export to PDF or another format when needed.